Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hack. Today's topic is business card design. So let's start. Make a business card. How I make a business card? Just see it. Okay. Now go to the selection tool and then I will go to the type tool. I will edit here business card business 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 CARD business card design business card design. Okay, and now I will change its color here. Change color, color. Sorry, I will change the main color. Uh, it will be the red, and it should be the it is a stroke color, so it should be the black, and it should be the also red because it's circle. It's red, and now I will copy here and copy here. It should be the black. It should be the black. How it look like? I think it's look very good. So I am going to save it. It is saved, and now I will export it as PNG format. Click here, use artboard, and export it as PNG. Okay. Now replace it with the past. Okay, good. Now I am going to the new file, and I am making the business card design. For the business card design, you have to take 3.5 inches into 2 inches, and now I am selecting it and create it. This is the artboard of business card. Now I will make a rectangular over here. I will delete this stop, and it should be the linear gradient, and it should be the red. I will make it red and black. It is good. Okay. Now I will change its how it look like. I think here Sorry. It is good. It is good. Okay. Now I am, yeah, selected, and now I'm going to lock it. That's why I will make my design without any harm. So for the, now I am going to make a elite tool over here, and it should be the, now I am going to make here white. Sorry, make it white, make it pure white, and here you can see, and I will make here, sorry, oh no, one stroke, give you one stroke here, mm, why this is, sorry, there is a problem, and the stroke will be the white. Sorry, there is a problem, that's why I'm going to remove it, and now I make a rectangle tool. Sorry, how it looks like. It's look very good to see, and I will make here another rectangular tool. Sorry, how it look like, you can see, and This is the this is the business card design. This is the concept, and you can write here many things what you want. And this is the design actually. So today's class is at the end. I will show you more things on the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all.